Hello everyone. So I don't have a video ready today because I'm still in Vegas for the fight, which is tonight. I'll maybe try and do a video and update you guys on it. But I thought I'd do a quick review of these new Sephora bamboo exfoliating wipes, which I picked up yesterday because I forgot my normal facial wipes that I use, which these have bamboo in them, a little bit of fragrance. Actually, fragrance is pretty high up there, but they're kind of unique. I actually didn't look much at them other than the bamboo on the label. And I've used the Sephora cleansing wipes before and never had any issues with them. And I picked these up, and actually these are pretty unique because one side is like a light exfoliating, kind of a little bit of a bead on it, which is kind of nice. And then the other side is just like a wipe. So you kind of exfoliate and then wipe it off. Kind of unique. I don't know, it's got some nice beneficial ingredients, but a lot of fragrance. So anyway, water, yeah, fragrance is really high up there. Benzyl alcohol, bamboo is like the 1, 2, 3, 5th to the last ingredient. But anyway, I do like how they made these though. They're kind of unique. And I do have pretty sensitive skin, and my skin seems to be tolerant and okay. My face does. My neck isn't loving it, so I'll probably wash that off with a little bit of water. But anyway, I thought I'd do a quick review, and I'll try and keep you guys updated later today. But anyway, those are my quick thoughts on the new Sephora wipes. Try the watermelon ones and the coconut ones. Those were all good. I don't know. Have you tried these? Anyway, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. Stay tuned for more, maybe tonight and tomorrow.